Day 3 of the drip.
Yes. Hi. Hello? Hello?
Search results. Page 1, page 2. Page 2 has reviews from 2019.
5 plumbers. 2 voicemails. 1 will call you back. 1 quote form into the void. And 1 guy who can come look at it next Thursday.
The pot was full. I was done.
So I tried the thing my niece kept yelling about.
2 photos. The AI wrote the whole post. Category, title, description. I typed nothing.
Set a budget. Done.
Offers from vetted pros started landing before my coffee went cold.
You the sink?
I'm the sink.
ID checked. Reviewed. 8 minutes away.
And I didn't pay a cent until it was done. The money just waits. 3 days of voicemail. 20 minutes of app.
I'm good at the work. I'm terrible at the chase. Last month I paid forgot. Know what I leads? Practice driving. 40 minutes across town to quote a deck. He went with his cousin. Love that for the cousin. Quest. 8 minutes out. Real budget. 10 free offers a day. I use maybe 6. The budget's already held before I load the van. Nobody's mailing me a check. Job's done. Payout goes straight to my bank. Reviews up by dinner. And every rank I climb, the platform fee drops. 5% down to 3 at master. 1% doesn't sound like much? Run my volume. That's real money.
Every posting entry level. 3 years experience. In what? I graduated in May. I have a degree, a toolkit, and a mattress on the floor. Nobody hires the unproven. Nobody gets proven without the hire. Fun loop. Turns out, I don't need a resume. I need receipts. Verified over lunch, ID selfie, done. First quest, a bookshelf, 5 stars, then a desk, then a whole nursery. My profile, the portfolio. Photos, ratings, finished quests. Try asking a resume to do that. Post it.
Get it done.
Get paid.
Masters Guild. Free on the App Store and Google Play.